Just got the bed off, and he's about to install his suspension components, and we're about to finish student fuel. So, yeah, we made quite a bit of progress. The fun part's gonna be getting the bed back on.
Yeah.
And getting the fuel filler in the right spot is a pain.
And this side, I'm trying to get it down from the bottom too.
It's probably in a bind. Do you have a mallet?
Kibice blaster.
Okay.
BP.
Oi, you fucking dickhead. You need some wheeze, man.
You do it, love.
Yeah.
You do you some bitches.
Where's that one?
Oh, I should make it easier.
You got the bushings for this thing?
Yeah, I think it came with new ones.
What's that?
That shit looks wore the fuck out. Yeah, it's not going back up.
New suspension going on.
Probably need to clean it off. There's a lot of gunk on there.
Yeah. You wire brush?
Probably. I don't know.
We can wait for that. We can finish the fuel pump first. All right. That should be plenty.
Yeah, I mean, they'll go in any of the holes.
All right. Good.
Put that
I got
thing
this to
around
record
there.
it.
That notch around there lined up like we had it,
Yeah.
and it'll seal right up.
Is there fuel in my tank? Oh.
One down.
Will it matter that it's in there? Do I have to fish it out?
Why don't you just get a magnet?
Yeah,
It's
that's
magnetic. My fingers are greasy from the PP blaster.
You ought to be used to hang on to little things that are greasy.
Can we pull out the pump and I can just put my hand in there?
No.
Oh, my hand's pretty small. And
You're not gonna get past your forearm. Let's see.
Well, folks, I don't have a magnet.
Let's see. I think there's like a notch on that where it's been old, like on that down there.
yeah, it looks like it needs to be cleaned off really bad. You know, wire brush, I guess.
Yeah. Alright. You think it'd be fine there, that one screw?
Yeah, it ain't gonna hurt nothing.
Cause it's not gonna get sucked up in the pump because
No.
the pump's entry is too small. There we go.
So what happened when they put on the screws? They also pinched it and it wasn't set. It wasn't sealed right.
No, they didn't use any screws that were correct. They used 2 wood screws.
Yeah.
What a fucking bunch of clowns.
Yeah.
So will these, like, what, 4 screws hold it in?
Yeah.
Sure.
Why don't you work them down?
So I could go down to the Marathon and grab some gas.
Yeah,
and,
I've got my screwdriver somewhere.
Once you get her.
I should. Just get it off first, right? It doesn't really matter. Need some help. There you go. There you go. Other side first.
huh, that kind of fits better.
I wonder why that is.
Oh, don't tell me I'm gonna... The hanger's in my way.
We can get the hanger.
Yeah, we can. Actual.
Exhaust hanger. That one should be a lot easier. Just get it all to the tops like a. There you go.
Mr. Harden.
That's how I do shit. It works.
Put your bolt in it before long.
Goddamn used car lot out here. It's awful. This must be the luxury side.
There you go.
Yeah, you get something and bop it.
Yeah. Smack the crap out of it. There you go.
Good job, boy.
Good job, buddy.
Here,
Now you got to put the bolts on.
Did you search shock your...
Final touches on that side.
These bolts are actually really clean for them being like.
Well, it's because this truck's got so little miles and the frame's so clean. It's great.
Mm-hmm.
Makes things really easy.
Yeah, it's not like mine where every bolt was
Well,
rusted to hell. That's
That's good.
Tighten that fucker down.
So like go back on it. Like that.
Yeah, like that, yeah.
On the other one.
it
yeah,
vibrate
you want to hear a little bit of ugga dugga.
Yeah.
That's what I call Ugga Dugga.
My
My first.
Yeah, there you go.
That's is that stiffer.
Oh yeah.
Now it's going to be stiffer in the back.
Did you put the bushings back? Oh, yeah, you did. Good. Let's see. You want to put the bushing cap back on them?
Time to put a Borla muffler on it. I've heard
Hey,
of,
I got a thrush in there.
oh yeah, that's right. I could go to Mr. That would be so. I'd be fun to do that. Not gonna lie. Put it on there because it would do it. It goes.
Can you hold it?
Yeah. It'll fit.
Yeah.
You get the PB blaster.
Well, it's in there if you want it.
Charlie, I swear Brandon's got 4 shirts at your house.
Probably.
Either that or I left them at work.
Oh, Brandon.
That's the fun part. Getting this bushing off. It's all crusty and baked on there.
Yeah, you don't want crusty and baked on.
That side looks way cleaner than the other side. Probably because it was leaking the fluid on it. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Over time. They had the different option of shocks, the nitrogen ones or the nitro shocks, and I was like, no, I'll spend a little bit more money, get a better product. I could have bought Bilsteins.
I like those beans.
Yeah, they're nice, but I was
Cody
these
shocks are
allow
best
if you want to lower the truck, it allows like some play. You know what I mean?
now. Yeah.
You can drop it 5 inches with
Wire
these.
brush. Where's the wire brush at?
It's in the spare tire.
Okay. You don't want rust in here because then they'll wear out your bushings. Don't use the impact on that. Use the wrench.
I'm using my goddamn fingers.
Yeah, but you have the impact over there. You're gonna use it.
You used it.
I did use it on the one. I didn't use it on the back. I used the wrench on the back.
Okay, where's the wrench at?
Because the back can get sucked in there, and if you get sucked in there with the impact, it ain't coming out, or it'll damage your frame. You don't want that because it doesn't have washers.
I'm a master mechanic.
Oh, yeah?
I work on airplanes, trucks, cars.
And that's crazy. I don't remember asking.
Ain't gonna fix that up now. Yeah, what if I do use the impact?
impact, but I didn't use full force. Don't want it. I don't want
It means you need to eat some Wheaties.
It's called there's no room to do it.
I did it over there. What are you talking about?
What's in here, mister?
Which side are you using?
Baby ham.
Are you using the closed in side? That's your problem. Use the crescent side. The crescent side makes it a lot easier.
Tell the audience I did well. Faster.
Okay, if you strip out your frame, it's not my fault. Look at this idiot. Absolute dummy head.
I might not be the best at fixing things completely, but I'm a damn good driver. No one can take that away from me.
I'm worried about the Humvees you're gonna be working on.
Oh, it's fine, man. Fuck it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're gonna be part of the IEDs.
Yeah. Look out, world. Brandon's working on shit.
Jesus.
My hopes and dreams to become a race car driver.
I doubt we're gonna be able to do the front.
What?
I doubt we're gonna be able to do the front.
Yeah, no, we're not. Don't even worry about it.
Alright, I'm gonna start packing up my stuff. That one, how could I say, my bolt's good.
Can I borrow your screwdriver?
Oh, I already put it up. Are you trying to connect it or what?
Yeah.
Here, put the camera and I'll do it.
No, you gotta go from on. You gotta connect it from up here.
Why don't you just take
Screws.
why do you put the
Disappointed!
You act like I actually think about what I'm doing. If I'm being honest, I don't even know what I'm doing half the time. I just go with the flow.
she head ass?
No U.
No W. Get fucked, loser.
No W reverse Uno card.
Yeah?
Plus
You wanna
4.
try that again?
+4.
Wild
bitch.
+4. Fuck you, bitch.
Draw. Write down card.
I'll fucking
Draw a card.
I'll draw your mother.
I have the draw card. Or whatever rule I want onto it. Infinity. No U. No W, bitch. Draw. Take the whole fucking deck. How about that, huh? How about that? Take the whole deck.
You take these nuts. Alright.
Listen, that's not gonna happen. That's not gonna work. I don't know what fantasy world you live in.
Yeah. So it wasn't coming up. You're good.
I took my time and built my mind.
There.
Build the castle without.
You really suck as a videographer. A cinematographer, I guess. That's what I should have said.
Focused on the recording.
You're focused on looking rather than the actual camera.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the other ones too. I've been trying to do more, like, I'm trying to find my own style with editing, so it's going to be a little weird for a while, but it's better than not editing at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I shall see you guys next time. See ya.